Welcome to HYANKA. In this video, we'll show you how to install the HYANKA car subwoofer and pair it with the HYANKA amplifier. This combination delivers powerful bass and exceptional sound quality. Follow along as we guide you through the step-by-step installation process. Before we begin, here are the tools you'll need for the installation: HYANKA car subwoofer and amplifier, power cable, fuse, and fuse holder, farad capacitor, conduit or breeder, sleeve, ground wire, page, shrink tubing, cable connectors and terminals, electrical tape and zip ties, heat gun, wire stripping, cool wire stripper, high level connection, high level input cable, low level connection, high to low converter cable, high to low converter plus a CI audio cable, RAM control cable. Make sure you have this ready to ensure a smooth installation. Important: always ensure that the subwoofer and amplifier are perfectly matched in terms of power and impedance. If they are not compatible, it can lead to overheating, distortion, or even permanent damage to your equipment. Using mismatched components may also void your warranty, so double-check the specification before installation to avoid any risks. Start by positioning the HYANKA subwoofer in the designated area, either in your trunk or in an appropriate subwoofer enclosure. Make sure the subwoofer is securely mounted to avoid any vibrations while driving. Next, let's install the HYANKA amplifier. Choose a flat, stable location near the subwoofer to mount the amplifier, ensuring enough space for air circulation. Use screws or brackets to firmly secure the amplifier in place. Now, let's start wiring the amplifier. It is recommended to use a 100A fuse. A farad capacitor stabilizes voltage and ensures consistent power for optimal amplifier performance. Secure mounting. Before we start the formal installation, ensure that the vehicle's power is turned off. Routing the power cable, route through the firewall. Locate an existing grommet in the vehicle's firewall to pass the power cable through. Note: the power cable's positive lead must be connected to the subwoofer, otherwise the subwoofer will be damaged. Connect the ground wire's negative lead to the subwoofer, otherwise the subwoofer will be damaged. Note: choose a grounding point that is clean and free of paint to ensure good contact. Scrape off the paint or clean the screws thoroughly. We must correctly connect the power cable's positive lead plus and the ground wire's negative lead, otherwise the subwoofer will be damaged. Connect the power cable to the positive terminal of the battery. Secure and protect the power cable using braided sleeve or conduit with the amplifier wire. It's time to connect the HYANKA subwoofer. Use high-quality Spiegel wires to connect the positive and negative terminals of the subwoofer to the corresponding terminals on the amplifier. Ensure the polarity is correct for optimal sound performance. Connection of DSP plug-in wire and high to low input wire. Connect high to low input wire to high to low converter. A CI audio cable. Connect the CI audio cable to the high to low converter. A EMY connection. Connect the RAM wire, usually blue, to the remote control output of the car audio system. so that the subwoofer will automatically turn on when the audio system is powered on. Now that everything is connected, it's time to test the system. Turn on your car and play your favorite track. Check the sound quality and adjust the amplifier's gain and crossover settings to fine-tune your audio. Congratulations! You successfully installed the HYANKA car subwoofer and amplifier. Enjoy the unmatched audio pleasure. And make sure to explore more premium audio products from HYANKA.